Hello viewers, and today for you I have another purchase from eBay. This is a set of 31 Japanese coins, and I paid $17.45 for the collection. And I purchased this collection mainly for one coin I saw in here, and I'll show you what it is in just a minute. So let's get started and open it up. Okay, it's a pouch inside a pouch again. Thank you. That's very nice. Let's see what we have here. Oh, they sent me two coins that weren't in the collection. That was very nice. I'll see what those are. And there's the coins. Okay, I have all the coins laid out for you here. And all of these coins are Japanese coins except for these two here are actually Chinese coins. Okay, in this first row we have the three most valuable coins in the set. And that first big oval shaped coin. The first coin is a 100 mon coin, also known as a Tenpotsuho coin, and it is from anywhere from 1835 to 1870 because they didn't actually put the individual dates on there. It is worth $20. And the next coin is a 1 cash coin from China, and it's a 1 cash Yuan Yo Tongbao coin from anywhere from 1086 to 1093. It's worth $4.50 in that grade. And the final coin there is a 1 cash Yongle Tongbao coin from 1408 to 1424. It's worth $6.40. And I'll show you the other side. These ones really don't have anything special on the other side. They're just more or less blank. And the next row here we have 10 sen coins. The very first one there is from 1922. It's worth about $1.30. The next one is from 1939, the very brass looking coin. It's also worth $1.30. All the rest of the coins in this row are 10 sen from the decade of the 1940s. From 1940 up to 1944. That one is a coin that somebody has decided to decorate by scratching triangles in it. The rest of the ones from the 1940s are worth about 55 to 60 cents each. But I'll show you the reverse. But I'll show you the other side. Let me orient the coin correctly. So in showing you the other side of these coins, the top 3 characters on the very top there translate to, well, the first 2 actually translate to Japan, and the other one's Great, so it's Great Japan. And the bottom is the year the coin was made, the bottom set of characters. And that just says 10 sen. The second character is actually the number 10, the one that looks like a cross, and the other one is sen. These next 2 rows here are also 10 sen coins, and they're all from the year 1944. And they're worth about 75 cents each. And on the back it's kind of hard to see, but they do have the characters that say Great Japan on them, and then below is the year. And it won't focus. These next 4 coins are all 5 sen coins. The first one there is from 1923. The next 2 are 1941, and the final one is a 1944 5 sen coin. And I'll show you the back. Okay, and as we said before, it says Great Japan and has the year. And these 5 sen coins are worth $1.30 for the 1923. The next 2, the 1941, are worth $1.10, and the final 1944 is worth 85 cents. These 3 coins are 1 sen coin, and the very first one is from 1918, then 1935, and 1937. All of those are worth $1.10. And I'll show you the back sides. Very nice pattern, actually. Very pretty copper coins. The final 3 coins are also 1 sen coins, and the first one is from 1942, which has, I believe, Mount Fuji on it. And the next 2 are 1944. The 1942 1 sen is worth about 40 cents, and the 1944 1 cents are worth 60 cents. And I'll show you the other side. If I orient them correctly. I'm always skeptical when I get antique coins whether they are authentic or not, or if they are just a copy or a forgery. This one seems to be real. It's a bronze coin that's actually 78% copper, which it does appear to be that. In checking with the measurements are accurate. It says it should be 49 millimeters. which it is 49 millimeters in length. Of course, I like to use the scale and weigh them. And it says that this coin should weigh 20.7 grams. Although it is somewhat worn. And I'm sure there was variations in the 1800s of weight. But this one is coming in at 18.7. So it's just about 2 grams off. But I think since it's worn, you can account for the weight by how worn it is and the variation of the coins in that century. This is the 1 cash coin that is from 1086 to 1093. It is a Yangyou Tongbao coin. And according to the guide, it says it should be 24 millimeters in diameter. And it does appear to be 24 millimeters in diameter. This is a bronze coin. It says its weight should be 3.87 grams. So let's see if we've got 3.87 grams here. And it's coming up at 3.4 grams, so it's probably well within the range to be authentic. This one is the 1 cash Yangyou Tongbao coin from 1408 to 1424. And it says it should be 25 millimeters. This is, of course, a bronze coin. And it is 25 millimeters in diameter, accounting for some wear there. It says that this should be 3.89 grams, so let's see what the scale says. And it says 2.3 grams, so not sure about that being a lot lighter than it should be. But then again, I'm no expert on Chinese coins, nor can I authenticate them. Okay, overall I think this was a very good purchase for a collection of Japanese coins. I paid $17.45 for this coin set, and in totaling it up, it's worth $53.85. Mainly I bought this coin set for the 100 Mon coin that was there, since I don't have any of those. I think it was a very good deal overall. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.